Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, whoever's watching. It is officially 5:30 a.m. and I am headed to Detroit Airport to catch a flight to Minnesota, don't you know? I'm actually going to be working with some distribution up in Minnesota, and I wanted to bring my YouTube channel with me to the distribution channel so everyone can see what distributors are all about, how they work, what they do, and that way you can get a feeling of the welding industry outside of fabrication, but actually check out who supplies the things you need for fabrication. So that's what we're going to do this week. Hopefully you like what we're doing, because I'm going to continue my voyage. Anyways, check you on the flip side. See you in T-minus 1 hour. Well, my flight boards at 6:30. It is officially, I believe, 6:12, and I brought a welding machine. I don't know if you can see, I bought a welding machine in a backpack. I don't think I'm bringing it. It's not gonna happen. So, no welding machine. So I'm part of the Emerald Club, which means I get to choose a vehicle in the Emerald Club aisle. And I think I'm going to choose, drum roll please, this minivan. Of course I choose a minivan, why wouldn't I? I got in early. I'm going to try to check into the hotel early, so that way I can do some work emails, all that good stuff. This is where I'm staying, the good old Holiday Inn. Why am I staying at the Holiday Inn? Because that's where I always stay. You gotta collect those points, boy. Okay, where am I going? Fridge snacks. Fridge snacks. There's my hotel. Alright. Enter here. Enter. Early bird special.
Early bird gets the worm.
I'm gonna get checked in. All that good stuff. Hopefully they let me in. Got some emails to do. And then we gotta go set up a bunch of welding equipment. See you in a few. And guess what? They checked me in. It's only 8:49 a.m. and they checked me in. So you know what time it is? You know what time it is? It's time to do this. Oh, yeah. Not really. You know what time it really is? It is time to work. This is Steve Zataslo, and this is how he rolls. He's got a TransSteel 2200 in a, what kind of car is this?
A Jetta.
A Jetta. All right, onward. Steve is welding on the TransSteel associate with Flux-Core, and he trusted me with his glasses. Woo! Guess what? It's Tuesday, and I'm at Oxygen Service Company. Not only that, I'm Julie. Julie. For the day. So let's take a look in Oxygen Service Weld Lab to see what we're all up to. Let's go.
Booyah!
have the best person in the world right here.
No.
Shipping your stick weld.
No.
What's your name?
Julie.
All right. We have Wally welding aluminum with the TransSteel 2200. And me and Steve have finally finished the Grand Slam Welding Challenge, and I think we're both exhausted, right?
Oh, immensely. I didn't realize welding would be so tiring.
The problem is now we got to actually grade all these weld samples. So we're gonna get to work.
Later that evening.
Good morning, everybody. It's time for my shirt. Oh, here on day 2 in sunny St. Paul, Minnesota, and we are doing our second welding challenge with the second group. And here you can see we're at Oxygen Service Company, and I'm gonna walk you through the lab where we got the second group already doing the welding challenge. It's called the Grand Slam Welding Challenge. So we have, here's group 1. Group 1. Group 1. Then we have group 2. You got it? Yeah, I think so. We finished up our training and we had to relocate. So we are headed to St. Cloud, Minnesota. I think it's home of the Posturepedic bed. I'm pretty sure it is. Tempur-Pedic, I believe so. Maybe I'm wrong.
Hashtag you're wrong.
We got about 4 miles to drive and we are staying at another Holiday Inn. And we're meeting another coworker, Mr. Mark. I call him Billy Bob Thornton because he looks exactly like Billy Bob Thornton. So you'll see here pretty soon. So we're gonna meet up with Mark and Steve. Steve, we finished round 2.
We did.
We made St. Cloud. And we have a joiner in the group, a guy named Mark, Mr. Mark. Hey guys. We're all exhausted and we're ready for our first beer.
Just a little, yes.
All right, here we go. It is day 3 and we are in St. Cloud, Minnesota. This is our last day of training. Hopefully everything goes good, but you know what? I'm missing one thing. I'm missing my Fronius shirt. Here we go. Yes! All right, let's get some coffee. Day 3. Here we are at Oxygen Service Company. We came in and we're setting up for this training, and look at these. Nice. Or like, hey, look at this in my pocket. Gotcha. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Good. Yeah, would it be kind of funny if we put these right here like this? That's when they walk back here. A-okay. Yeah, we have it on each machine.
I like it. That's one.
Oxygen Service Company in what town?
You gotta know the town. Sauk Rapids.
We're here at Oxygen Service in Sauk Rapids. You can see the OSC sign behind us. Not only am I here, but Mark Carter's here.
Hello, hey everyone.
And we're doing a Grand Slam Welding Challenge. But I want to show you some cool stuff that they have in their showroom. Who's Mark? Check out
There
this
you go.
robot right here. It's an ABB robot holding the TV. That's some pretty cool stuff.
That's awesome.
We got the Fronius banner. So Mark, let's take them inside the
right.
demo room so we can show them the experience of the Grand Slam Welding Challenge.
It's a pretty awesome demo room, man. So customers can come right in here.
Check this out, demo zone.
Demo zone. We got Steve here. What are you welding with, Steve?
We are welding with steel today.
Awesome.
We're going to do plastic a little bit later.
TransSteel 220.
Nice.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna end my Thursday. I'm done traveling. Friday is my work on my computer day, so that's what I'll be doing. Let's hope it all comes together. On for a bigger and better week next week. So we'll see how excited the kids are when I get to my mom's house too. So put that in there too. Okay, to my mom's we go. You look tired, Lincoln.
Nana.
Yeah, you know what time it is? Guess what time it is? 10:30. You ready to go home? Gray, you ready to go? Here we go. What time is it?
Bring the action.
When the others in the club, we're gonna turn the shit up. We're gonna turn the shit up. We're gonna turn the shit up. When we up in the club,